Hi, hello everyone. My name is Mohamad Aqib bin Mohamad Aris. My matrix number is 33DI20F1006. And with my other teammates, Airull, Aiman bin Mohamad Ariffin, with the matrix number 33DI20F1013, Fadelis Jugah, Anak, Ason, 33DI20F1014, and Ahmad Khidir bin Ahmad Azli, 33DI20F1012. Today we are going to present to everyone topic about typing and instrumentation diagram. Typing and instrumentation diagram. Okay. Question 1. It asks us to state the type of flow diagram. Okay, the first question is state type of flow diagram. The flow diagram name is process flow diagram or PFD. And B is describe the symbol, operational data and fluid storage in the equipment D105. The answer is the symbol is closed tank. So the operational data is to control the fluid and the gases. Next is fluid storage, is to maintain the fluid in tank. C. List the 3 liquid level measurement of equipment D105. The answer is flammable liquid, water and chemicals. D. Identify types of the equipment F105, C105, B105, RX105, CET105, RX105, RX106, TK112, TK12, TK16, P13. F105 is heater. C105 is distillation column. B105 is reboiler. RX105 is reactor or continuous stored tank reactor. CT105 is cooling tower. RX105 is reactor or continuous stored tank reactor. RX106 is tubular reactor. TK12 is product tank. TK16 is column or bottom tank. And P13 is vacuum pump. That is all for me. I'm going to pass it next to Airull Aiman.
Hello, my name is Aiman Ariffin and my matrix number is 33DI20F1013. So, for the question 2, first question is identify the measure, variable and type of instrumentation used at loop 101 and loop 121. For the first loop is CV101. It is for control valve, measure variable uses. Type of instrumentation is valve. Next, FRC 101 is for full flow recording controller, measure variable flow. Type of instrumentation is controller. Next is PI 101. It is for pressure indicator, measure variable, pressure. Type of instrumentation is indicator. Next, for LIC 121 is level inductor controller, measure variable, level. Type of instrumentation is control. And lastly, LCV 121, level control valve. Measure variable is level. Type of instrumentation is valve. For the question B, describe the piping identification system that used in the diagram. First, D100 through 6A4A. D means for dew prevention installation. 102 is line number. 6 inch is 6-inch pipe. A for A is 150 lb rating, low temperature rating, carbon steel pipe, and material. Non-corrosive, process flammable, non-flammable, non-lethal, or below. 29 degree, negative 29 degrees Celsius to negative 45 degrees Celsius, hydrocarbon, silanes, methanol, NH3, and gas flare. Next, D101 6-inch A4A. D means for dew prevention installation. 101 for line number. 6-inch is 6-inch pipe. A4A 150 lb rating, low temperature rating, carbon steel pipe material, non-corrosive, process flammable or non-flammable, non-lethal, below negative 29 degrees Celsius to negative 45 degrees Celsius. Next is D103 6-inch A4A. D for dew prevention installation. 103 line number. 6-inch is 6-inch pipe. A4A 150 lb rating, low temperature rating, carbon steel pipe material, non-corrosive, process flammable, non-flammable, non-lethal, below negative 29 degrees Celsius to negative 45 degrees Celsius, hydrocarbon, silanes, methanol, NH3, and gas flare. Next is D104 and 4-inch B4A. D for dew prevention installation. 104 is line number. 4-inch is 6-inch pipe. For B4A 300 lb rating, low temperature rating, carbon steel pipe material, non-corrosive process, flammable or non-flammable. Non-lethal below negative 29 degrees Celsius to negative 45 degrees Celsius. Hydrocarbon, silanes, propylene, NH3, gas flare, and LPG. Next is CW 136-inch A7A. CW means cooling water. 130 for line number. 6-inch pipes. A7A 150 lb rating. Carbon steel pipe material. No corrosive process. Vacuum. Lastly is CW 131 6-inch and A7A. CW means cooling water. 131 is line number. 6-inch is 6-inch pipe. A7A is 150 lb rating. Carbon steel pipe material. Non-corrosive process. A vacuum. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, question 3. A. Identify the types of P001 according to the symbol used. Number 1. The type of P001 is a isocentrifugal pump symbol. Second, definition. A centrifugal pump is a mechanical device designed to move a fluid by means of the transfer of rotational energy from one or more driven rotors called impellers. Question B. Identify the measure variable and types of instrumentation used. First, measure variable. The measure variable is the electronic or pneumatic representation of the value of the control variable. The measure variable typically comes from a transmitter, which measures the control variable and produces an output representative of it. In the example here, the measure variable are standard solvent storage tanks used in a variety of applications cleaning and solvent distillation system. In cleaning and distillation application, where a high concentration of solid occur that utilize conical bottom designs to allow the heavier materials to collect at the bottom for easy removal, either through an automated phase system in distillation applications or through transfer pumping system to other location. In cleaning application, where the solvent is recirculated to the wash system, internal buffers are used to assist in the effective and maintenance-free solid removal. 3B. Identify the measure variables and types of instrumentation used. The type instruments used are locally mount level loop 0011, port mount level loop 0012, locally mount pressure indicator level loop 0013. Question C. Describe the process flow of solvent from 100 PE N to 100 PE N. So this is the table P001 in pipe flange, P001 out pipe flange, 01 100 PE N piping system, 01 100 PEN out pipe flange, 02 100 PEN piping system, 02 100 PEN in pipe flange, 02 100 PEN1 piping network node, 02 100 PEN2 drain valve, 02 100 PEN3 blind flange, 02 100 PEN4 block valve, 02 100 PEN5 pipe reducer, 02 100 PEN out pipe flange, 03 100 PEN piping system, 03 100 PEN in pipe flange, 03 100 PEN1 pipe reducer, 03 100 PEN2 piping network node, 03 100 PEN3 instrument connection point, 03 100 PEN4 check valve, 03 100 PEN5 block valve, PSV 0014 pressure relief device, P1 0013 pressure gauge, 04 100 PEN piping system, 04 100 PEN in pipe flange, 04 100 PEN out pipe flange. So that's all from me. Now I will give to Ahmad Khidir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Fat. My name is Ahmad Khidir bin Azli. My matrix number is 33DI20F1012. For the question 4, for question 4A, describe type of control system and instrumentation that have been used. The type of control system is closed loop system, and the instrument used are controlling element, correcting element, detecting element, and measuring element, comparing element, and motor element. For the question 4B, describe the variation of TCV, CW, PP, and PCV. For the TCV is for temperature, CW is for cold water, PP is for polypropylene, and lastly PCV is pressure control valve. And that's all from us. Thank you.